So this is an instructional video to do the capacitor, the run and the start. So we have the relay in the middle, and to kind of start off, we're going to have the wires that are coming from the actual panel, electrical panel of the compressor. Okay, these are the two wires that are going to be coming from the panel itself, and you're going to be connecting them on the N and the L side over here. Then you have the run capacitor, okay, that's going to be connected to the short side here on the L, and then the long side of the N. You also have three wires that are coming directly from the electric motor, which are these white, red, and black wires. One will be connected to on the N, okay. The black wire will be connected to the L, and this red wire will be connected to the long side on the N, okay. And then we have the start capacitor here. Start capacitor is going to be hooked up to the long side on the L and the N, and that's pretty much, you know, all there is to know. You know, if you're going to have them sit back in place after doing this, you know, they can sit like this. That's pretty much it.